Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. I'm Akhilesh. This video is on unboxing Vivo T1 5G. This phone is available on Flipkart at 16,990. This is 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory version and has a full HD display of 6.58 inch, rear triple camera with 50 megapixels and front 16MP camera with Snapdragon 695 processor. So the phone has a 5000 mAh battery and also supports 18-watt fast charging. In box, Vivo provides a transparent back case and the mobile phone charging brick and the cable also, Type-C cable. Phone is available with two colors. This one is the Rainbow Fantasy. Overall, the phone looks good. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching the video. Please do support by subscribing the channel. Thank you.